Having the right desk setup can make a huge difference when it comes to staying focused and productive in the world of cybersecurity. Whether you're analyzing threats, running security tests, or managing your personal data, a well-organized workspace is key. So let's dive into the best desk setup for cybersecurity. The first is a dual monitor setup, which is essential for multitasking and keeping track of multiple systems and tools at once. The second, invest in a comfortable ergonomic chair to avoid strain during long hours of work. The third is a mechanical keyboard, which is great for quick typing and providing that satisfying feedback when working with coding, performing security tasks, okay? The fourth is add a high quality mouse with customizable buttons, which can help you navigate through security software and tools more efficiently. The fifth is don't forget to set up strong lighting with adjustable brightness to reduce eye strain, especially when working in dark environments. A tidy and well-equipped workspace helps you stay focused and ready to tackle any cybersecurity challenges. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.